City, Oklahoma City. It's 31 degrees, man. And I'm looking crazy. My heat's not on. Why, you ask? Because I never replaced my heater core that I planned on doing this summer. So now I'm looking stupid. It's cold. It's cold as hell, actually. 31 degrees is cold to me. But there's no time to do it now. So, because I'm not about to run this heat and end up blowing another motor, which I don't need those issues right now. But I was too busy this whole spring and summer. I wanted to get front bumper. I wanted to get the rear bumper. What else I get? I got my wheels back about a year ago, around Thanksgiving last year. Didn't get them put on until after the week of the Super Bowl. Wheels, tires, bumpers, all that good stuff, man. Now I'm looking crazy because I'm cold. Mods over maintenance, right? Oh boy. You know, at least I look good though. At least I look good, but that'll be, well, at this point, because it's cold, I'll just have to jacket it up, hoodie it up, double up, all that, and get to it in the spring. But it's all about finding time, because doing them heater cores, that's not a fun job. As I say, I would do it on this 4Runner. I don't want to waste my oatmeal and my tea. Do it on this 4Runner and my IS250, since I missed the warranty for the sticky dash. I ended up pulling one myself a couple years ago, and since I'll have that apart, I might as well do that heater core too. But yeah, I'm gonna need like 4 people to help me with that. But anyway, this is just a reminder to replace your heater core if you have it and if you have time. I feel so stupid right now. I'm still gonna get sliders here if they got a sale on them for Black Friday. Get some lights for my bumper anyway, so I ain't really too pressed on the heater core. It's just if I had somebody else with me, I can deal with it. You know, I know other people can't. All right, bye.